Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, I have a very messy bedroom behind me, and that's because I am someone who really struggles with keeping things orderly and clean. It seems like every day I'm needing to just kind of power hour through my house and get things tidied up, and I know I can't be the only one, so I decided that I would just turn the camera on while I was doing this. I wasn't planning it, but I thought I might be able to provide you guys with a little bit of cleaning motivation if I turned on the camera and took you along with me. Before we jump into the video, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Justine and I upload videos on motherhood, cleaning motivation like this video, or meal planning inspiration, just lots of fun homemaking type things, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. And now let's just start tidying up this bedroom. This is the mess that is my room right now. It's pretty embarrassing. I think I say that every time you guys see my room. But yeah, there's just a lot of clothes that got left out over here. Clothes over there, stuff that doesn't belong in here. I'm going through Chloe's new clothes, trying to get her the next size up in my drawer, well, the drawer that I have for her in here. And yeah, there's just kind of clutter everywhere. There's clothes on the floor in the closet as well. Books on the floor because Marcus likes to come over here and pull all Daniel's books out. So the first thing I'm going to do is set my timer to an hour. Honestly, I don't think that my bedroom is going to take that long to clean, but I think an hour is a really good time for me to just know that I can set that aside while the kiddos are napping and just get into some cleaning. I'm going to start by making my bed. It kind of just helps the overall appearance with the room and keeps me motivated to keep going. And I do need to hurry. Hopefully this will be a lot shorter than an hour because my kiddos are going to wake up anytime from nap time and it's just going to be that much harder to clean. Next, I'm just going to pile everything on my bed that needs to get put away, and then just from there separate it into different categories and put everything away after that. I have a few returns that I haven't made to pink blush, so I'm going to put all those in one pile so that I can do that today, and yeah, just put everything away as I go. So I just turned on the intercom and realized that Marcus is awake and in his bedroom playing, so I better go get him. And now I'm gonna clean with two babies.
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ouch.
So both babies are up, and just in case, oh Marcus! And just in case anyone says, oh. Hold on, he knocked the tripod down. Okay. Just in case anyone says anything, I'm putting her on the bed, but she cannot roll yet, so she will stay exactly where I put her. Marcus! Okay, and I'm finally back. It has already been 18 minutes just to make my bed, and I had to go get Marcus. I had to go talk to him because he wasn't obeying, and so now I'm finally gonna get to this pile of stuff. As I was going, I just piled all of the dirty clothes or items that need to be washed in a pile right here. So now I'm just gonna throw them into the laundry. My nightstand is one of those places that can get really extra cluttered over time. So I'm just gonna clear it off, throw away any garbage, and then I'm just gonna wipe it down with a wipe because that just makes things really easy and I always have those on hand. Next, I'm just gonna take out anything that does not belong in here and put it in the room it belongs. So I have a pile of Chloe's things on the bed for the next size up. Like I said, I don't think I'll have time to organize and switch out what doesn't fit her right now. So I'm just gonna leave them in a pile until I can get to that, and then just clear the rest of the things off of my bed and put them away. The last space I need to clean up is this area of Daniel's. Like I said, Marcus had such a blast playing in this corner, so I need to go and clean that up now. So that's the end of my power hour routine. Let me find my clock. I don't even know how long it took. So I cleaned my room in just under an hour. It was about 50 minutes, but with a baby, it took a lot. I think I could have done it in more like 25 minutes, but with a baby, it took a whole lot longer. Baby wearing slows me down a lot, but sometimes she just needs to be held to be happy. But at least I can get a little bit of work done. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said at the beginning, please subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll have a lot more videos like this coming your way. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.